See, boys, this is one area you do not want to cut corners. This is one video you do not want to skip. See, when you skip on your hygiene, I promise you, you and everybody around you will notice, my guy, today, I don't care what in your life is on point. I don't care how much money, how attractive, how good looking you are. If your hygiene's not on point, if you're not putting these 7 tricks into practice, you're dropping the ball. Let's hop into this. Number 1, I want you to swap your bar of soap for body wash. See, most of you are probably still washing your body with the bar of soap. But the problem is that this is unhygienic. Most of those bars of soap are filled with hair, filled with dirt, filled with dead skin. They're filled with mold because you're leaving them in the bathroom. And then they even fill up with bacteria because a lot of you are sharing that same bar of soap with everybody that showers in your bathroom. It is probably the most unhygienic thing you can do, which is why switching over to body wash is better, more affordable, and more hygienic. See, body wash, you only take out what you use. It always stays clean, and you don't have to worry about it being filled with hair, about it being filled with mold or bacteria, because it stays in the container, and more importantly, it lasts longer. See, a bar of soap, when you leave it out there, that water is still deteriorating that bar of soap, and it's eroding away. A body wash will last you 10 times longer if you use it adequately. Number 2, always keep your body hair low. This is just common sense. See, the root cause of all bad odor is sweat. The sweat then becomes breeding ground for bacteria, and that bacteria is what expels that bad odor that it's horrible, especially in your crotch and your armpits and in your butt region. So let's just work backwards. To kill the odor, you need to kill the sweat. As soon as you kill the sweat, you neutralize the odor. How do you kill the sweat? You want to refresh your body. You want to keep your body temperature as low as possible, which is why those specific problem areas I just mentioned, you should always keep that body hair low, tight to the body to increase airflow and make sure you're sweating as least as possible to prevent bad odors. This is exactly why Manscaped is killing it. Yo, our company Manscaped is easily the largest, if not the #1 grooming company in the world. You want to know why? We created a trimmer that no other company had. You had all these billion-dollar companies for years. None of them decided to sit down and think like, yo, we should design a trimmer for men. None of them did that until we did that. Our engineering team went to work and we just designed our ultimate trimmer, which is our Lawnmower 4.0. This thing looks straight out of like an Avengers movie. Like, this thing looks so futuristic. It comes with its own dock, but more importantly, it's ergonomically designed. And every single detail in this trimmer was thought out meticulously for you, for me, and for every other man around the world, giving you a powerful tool that you can use to manscape your body with ease. See, our trimmer uses a ceramic blade that's not only sharper, but it's also nick-proof to ensure you're not gonna nick your boys, you're not gonna nick back there, you're not gonna nick your pits. When you're trimming, you got complete control. Not to mention that those blades are also replaceable. So once you buy our Manscaped trimmer once, you don't ever gotta replace it. Boys, there's reason why millions of men around the world are using our product. It is the best in the market because it's the only in the market. Yes, there's other players now, but who wants imitations? No. You want the OG. You want the real guys. The real deal, the guys that put manscaping on the map is us. Manscaped. If you guys want a quality trimmer that you can use to trim down your hair to make sure you're as hygienic as possible, you need to check out our new trimmer. This thing is slaughtering it right now. We are selling out left and right in Best Buy, Target, online. I don't want you to miss it. If you don't have a proper trimmer in your bathroom or you want to upgrade your Manscaped trimmer, I want you to click that link down below. Check out our Manscaped 4.0. It also will come with our kit, which is our ball deodorant, which is crucial. See, once you trim down there, I want you to apply that ball deodorant and think of it like putting on deodorant on your armpits. Not only does it feel amazing, but it'll keep that area smelling like that area will probably be the best smelling area of your entire body. Talk about surprise. Talk about shock and awe when that girl gets down there. Yo, no other guy's putting in this much work. No other guy's thinking about all this, but you are. See, you're going to get that ball cream. You're also going to get a free body wash. On top of that, you're going to get a DOP kit, which is $40 on our site. We're going to send that completely for free and a pair of boxers. You're going to get all that plus 20% off plus free shipping. Guys, what are you? If you guys want to check that 4.0 package, click that link down below. Which takes us on to number 3, wash your crack. Yo, the number of people that don't wash their ass is outstanding. Yes, people can tell. It is that bad, but it's okay. Here is your simple fix. Come here. Here's your simple. Wash your damn ass. See, screwing up this intricate art of washing that back crack can lead to swamp ass, can lead to horrible odor, to discomfort, and even irritation to the point that it starts itching back there. Once it starts itching, you already know you're doing something wrong. Which takes us on to number 4. You need to start cleaning your ears. See, your barber and your girl can tell you haven't cleaned your ears in over a year probably. See, the amount of guys that are stacking up their earwax and collecting it, it's ridiculous. Matter of fact, do a test. Grab your finger right now. Go right back here and just go a little aggressively. If you see any black, dead skin, or weird scent, you haven't washed your ears in a good time. See, you don't need Q-tips for this. Instead, when you're in the shower and that soapy water's running, this is when you start cleaning the inside of your ear to allow the soap to break down the earwax on the outside of your ear. This is gonna clear most of that dirt. Then that same soapy water you wanna use to clean the back of your ears. People can tell when you're not cleaning this area out. Number 5, brushing and then flossing. See, when you do it in that order, you're unhygienically doing it incorrectly. See, when you brush and then floss, all that gunk will come out. That's the gunk that if it stays in your mouth, will start rotting away and will create that bad odor. This is why you need to do it on the flip side. You need to floss first, get all the gunk out, and then brush your teeth. That way your teeth or your breath remains fresh all day and you avoid the mistake of leaving any gunk inside your mouth. Now, while you're at it, to keep that oral care, grab that toothbrush, and I also want you to exfoliate your lips. Remove all the dead skin that's on your lips and grab a little bit of Vaseline. I like to do this trick every night and apply just a little bit of Vaseline before going to sleep. Now your breath is not only gonna be fresh, your lip's gonna be on point. Number 6, I want you to find your signature scent. Look, now you're all clean, it's time to seal the deal. It's time to wrap up the package. And I want you to wrap that handsome ass in a signature scent, a scent that every time that you step into a room, people know, like, damn, that's Jose. That's the dude that always smells good. Now, I just like different scents. I like the scents that are dark, musky, think your cognac, your tobacco scent. I like those really dark, masculine scents because they're different. Most men aren't wearing them. A good one would be something like To Conquering from Santa Lucia. But if you already have that and you want something different, I actually have this one right here on my office desk. Killian's Angel Share. This thing, this thing's pretty dang sexy. It's that dude again. It's that dude again. Another great one is Creed Aventus. That's an OG, of course. Another great one is Dior Sauvage Elixir, which is actually new, and it smells nothing like the OG Dior Sauvage. It's crazy masculine. And finally, number 7, change up your towel. See, that towel is musky. That towel is full of mold. You've been using that same towel for well over a month now. And every time you dry yourself, you're just leaving it there clumped up, all wet and soggy, and it creates more of that must. So now, yes, you're cleaning yourself in the shower, but when you're stepping out and drying yourself off with that dirty, smelly towel, you leave that dirty aroma, that like musky after scent on top of you. It doesn't matter how good your hygiene is, you're always gonna leave that nasty trail behind. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our brand Manscaped. If you guys want a brand new trimmer, the Lawnmower 4.0, it'll be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.